So we looked at a number of different hosted website, online management training tools and decided on BizLibrary because they were the right size for our business, the right price for our business, and they offered a lot of different options as far as what we wanted to use in regard to our training program. Well, the client success team couldn't be any nicer, actually. They're all great. Developed kind of a personal relationship with each of them. And I have found that we can joke on the phone, and I always look forward to our monthly meetings with my client success person. Well, in the BizLibrary collection, there is so much available content. There's something on every topic under the sun, which is what I actually tell all of our new hires at orientation. There's, I think, 8,000 streaming video courses and other courses out there as well. It's terrific. The fact that I can also add my custom content is great. So we have a group of courses that we use for orientation regularly, and we use a lot of the safety courses also as part of orientation or OSHA requirement training. I also always mention to our people at orientation that there are all those courses out there for them, free to them to use for their own personal enrichment whenever they'd like. The thing that I like best, I guess, is the fact that everything is tracked immediately. I don't have to have a big spreadsheet somewhere showing me who went through what training and who didn't. In fact, the nicest thing is that a spreadsheet doesn't tell me who didn't, and in BizLibrary I can just run a quick report and see who completed the training and who didn't. So it's really handy. That's probably the feature I like best, is that I can see exactly who got done and who didn't. Our safety department uses the BizLibrary for a number of different segments. We have to, of course, being compliant with OSHA, we have to have certifications for our forklift drivers. We have certifications required by some of our business partners. We run those all through BizLibrary. We use the streaming video courses for forklift training and for some other training as well. We're able to roll those together into different stages of the certification. It's all laid out really easily in the BizLibrary LMS system. And we get reminders when those are due 2 or 3 years later, whenever the certification ends. Our business is growing all the time, and we need to keep up with that. So we use all of the functionality of our BizLibrary LMS whenever we can to keep up with changes in our business. It's very easy to add more seats as the business grows, and we can train each person that's new coming in on exactly what needs to be done. So when I create custom e-learning based on a new product or a new process or something new that we're doing, our new people coming in, because of business growth, can learn that process even faster than if they would go directly to the floor and have someone show them hands-on. So they come in already knowing a little something about it. It's been invaluable as far as supporting our business growth.